How do I create a password-protected image gallery in WordPress? Restricting image access is essential for photographers, creative agencies, and membership site owners who need to control who sees their visual content. Here's the issue. WordPress galleries are public by default. Anyone with a URL can view your images. Can you password protect a gallery in WordPress? Can you restrict WordPress gallery access to specific users? Yes, and I'll show you exactly how. The solution is Password Protect WordPress Pro. This WordPress security plugin adds password protection to galleries without coding. Let's see two simple methods. Method 1. Section Protection. After installing and activating the plugin, navigate to Password Protect WordPress in your WordPress dashboard and then click Partial Protection. Then go to Section Protection and click Add New. Now build your gallery. Title your protected section, click Add, then Gallery, then Media Library, and choose your images. Then click the Create New Gallery button and Insert Gallery. In the Section Protection sidebar panel, enter your passwords. Click Save Changes, then Publish. Copy the generated shortcode that appears. Paste that shortcode into any WordPress page or post where you want the protected gallery. Configure whitelisted roles to your linking and click Save or Publish. That's it. Visitors now see a password form before accessing your gallery images. If they have the password, they'll be able to access it. Method 2. Page Protection. Create a new page or post. Title your page, click the plus icon, select the gallery block, and choose images from your media library. Create your gallery. Once it looks good, click Publish. Right now, the page is live, and anyone can access it. Let's add password protection. From the Pages list, hover over your gallery page and click Password Protect. Then click Password Protect this page. The plugin automatically generates a secure password for you. It's active, unlimited, and never expires. Want custom passwords with more control? Click New Password. Add your password, set a usage limit, and select an expiration date if needed. Click Submit. Now you have multiple passwords for the same page, each with different restrictions. Copy a password with one click to share with your clients or team members. The plugin creates a professional password form automatically. When visitors load the page, they see the password form first. Enter the password, and the gallery appears. So, how do you create a password-protected image gallery in WordPress? Use Password Protect WordPress Pro. Subscribe for WordPress security tutorials that actually solve real problems.